I love this event. I love seeing all of you, our volunteers, our students. I get to see so many of you. I love the feel of the energy in the room, and buzzing around the towns, people seeing it. And I think about how much good all that contributed energy is doing, helping prepare students in our state to succeed in Arizona. But mostly, I love to see some of our students represented by our young ambassadors. These JA Young Ambassadors are putting their skills to work in events like this, things that they have learned through junior achievement. We get to see how much they've grown and the success, and imagine what they're going to be doing in the future. You see them at this point, imagine them in 10 years. We're so proud that we get to play a part in their future. And the futures of more than 80,000 students every year in Arizona. We are reaching more than 80,000 primarily low-income students in Arizona, thanks to you, and thanks to our over 9,000 volunteers who are helping deliver the program. We're helping these students see what their potential can be, and then we're providing them with the skills to help them reach that potential. But we wouldn't be able to achieve any of this without you, and without those volunteers. I hope that all of you will consider in your spare time volunteering for us, because we always need more. We also really want to thank, and couldn't do it without, our corporate partners, our foundations, and the other individual donors who do so much to make this work possible. So what's in store for junior achievement in the future? What are we doing in the next couple of years? Well, I'm really excited about a couple of things. One of the things that we're working on is becoming more digital. We know that the world is changing. Our programs are terrific. Our programs are making a difference, and we have lots of data showing that our programs make a difference. But the world around us is changing, how people learn is changing. And we want to make sure that we stay ahead of that. So we're looking at the development of digital curriculum and games and ways that we can work with students to help them learn even better and be prepared. So how can we use more of that technology so that we can meet the students with what that future might look like? We're committed to staying ahead of all of these changes to ensure that we stay relevant. And I'm really proud of our reach, 83,000 kids. But there's 1 million kids in Arizona who aren't getting our programs. All of them could benefit as well. So we'd like to continue to grow there and make a difference in even more lives. We're grateful to you and for your support of junior achievement. And we hope that you'll consider continuing to support us with your money and your time. And I'd be remiss if I didn't mention the Arizona tax credit. We are qualified for the Arizona tax credit, and so as you're thinking about that tax credit, if you would like to direct some of those funds to junior achievement, we would really appreciate it. And before I wrap up, I want to mention 2 more things. One, this incredible food that we have. In Culinary Concepts and Nibbler's Catering, keep providing this to us every year for this event at almost no cost. And so it's really great, and so a round of applause for the Culinary and Nibbler's. And I also wanted to point out that we have 5 new shops. Some of you have been here before, many of you have been here before. We have 5 new shops. Aerotech, right over there. iHeartMedia, right behind me. They also have a shop in the other biz town. Arizona Central Credit Union. And then on the other side, we have the iHeartMedia, and we also have WebPT on the other side, and we have an updated Diamondback shop. Encourage you to go run around all of the towns. We have games to play. We've got great food. Thank you so much for being here tonight. And, what?
Arizona Tile.
Oh, Arizona Tile. Yes, because there are Arizona Tiles over there in Building Arizona, the blue shop right there. So thank you all for being here, and enjoy the rest of your evening.